Mastercam 2024 adds more flexibility on how you can change the chaining direction and side. Here for the part on screen, I'm going to focus on this model chamfer toolpath. In this toolpath, I'm using model chamfer to get rid of all the sharp edges on the top. You can also notice that I colored 3 faces red. That's because the toolpaths are missing from those faces. For example, look at this smallest red face I chained in this side. It doesn't have any toolpath, but the other side has. Why are these toolpaths missing? I'll first open my geometry subgroup so I can see all the arrows in the graphics window. If I take a closer look at the red face I just mentioned, you can see the long arrow that represents the direction is going this way, and the side arrow, the short one, is pointing that way. This indicates that the tool is traveling in the direction of the long arrow, with the tool on the left-hand side of the chain as it travels. This doesn't work for model chamfer because inside the model chamfer, the solid model is known to the toolpath, and it has a clearance value, which means it's not going to run the tool into the model. Now I know why it's not working. I'm going to fix this problem. All I need to do is change the direction of the cut, which should flip the tool over to the other side of the chain as well. In the previous versions, I can only do this by bringing up the Chain Manager window, scroll down the list here with arrow keys until I find the correct one to change. Then I can right-click and select Reverse. The issue's fixed now. However, in the 2024 release, I can do it easily directly from the graphics window. I'll move to this other red face. Here you can see that the chain starts and stops right at this point. I want to change the direction of this to fix that. I can simply double-click on the long arrow and that will flip the direction. I'll do the same thing for the last one. Now everything is going in the correct direction. I'll click the green check and regenerate. You can see now I have all the toolpaths that were missing before. The last thing I want to mention is that if I double-click on the short arrow in the graphics window to change the side the tool is on, the side of the entire toolpath changes. That's because this is directly linked to how compensation works inside the toolpath, and I can't change the compensation direction within the same toolpath. It has to be the same for all chains. So if you're getting a chain that has the wrong compensation direction, it's probably more to do with your direction. But if not, you can omit that chain and use it in a different toolpath to get the exact result that you're looking for.